So you've heard that networking with UM alumni is a good idea when looking for a job or internship, or when you're applying to graduate school, or when you're moving to a new city. But did you hear that there's a super easy way to do that? The University Career Alumni Network, also known as UCAN, takes all the work and worry out of networking. So, what's stopping you? For example, is it that you think you don't have the time? Or that you think you don't know what to say? If so, let's break those down. If you think you don't have the time, the good thing to know is that the average time to find an alum and reach out to them on UCAN is 5 minutes. If you don't know what to ask, consider thinking about what you want to know. For example, what's a typical day like? What are the necessary skills? What are some things to do on campus now to prepare? You know, those kinds of things. Plus, there's also a good chance that the alum will step in with tons of great info before you even get a chance to ask all of your questions. Networking might be new to you, so it's okay if you're a little nervous. Just don't let it hold you back from getting great advice. There are other students who love UCAN, and the funny thing is, they felt just like you before they used it. Here's what other students have to say about UCAN. Don't miss out. Go to UCAN now. You can do it. Get it? Cheesy? Who cares? It's true.